Hello students, I hope you all are doing well, and today we are starting the chapter 3, Number in Indian and International System. In chapter first I told you what are the numerals and numeration. Numerals are the symbols which are used to represent the numbers, and numeration in common language we can say that is the word form. Okay. In Indian and international system, in both the system, numerals remain same. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 10 symbols which are used to represent the number, or we can say these are 10 numerals which are used to represent the numbers. This is the 1 numeral, this is the 15, and this is 9. And these are the numeration or word form of these numbers. Okay. Now, numeration means reading and writing. In both Indian and international system, way of writing and way of reading is different. You can see here, I have taken one example, one number 425670. Okay, 425670. The example is same, but the way of writing is different. You can see here we have put the comma different in a different way in both the number. Similarly, the way of reading is different in both the number. If we talk about the Indian number system, we will read 4,25,670, or if we talk about international number system, so in international number system we will read 425,670. 425,670. Got it? So this way the numeration is different in both international and Indian system, but the numerals are same in both Indian and international system. Got it? Now, how to read and write the number in Indian or international system. In both the number, the way of writing the number is different. In both the system, we use the comma to writing the number. In Indian number system, first of all we put the comma after 3 digit 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then after each second digit we put the comma. After each second digit 1, 2, 1, 2. This way we write the comma in Indian number system. Means first of all we will put the comma after 3 digit, then after each second digit we put the comma. Okay. Now, number with period and places in both Indian or international system. Here we are talking about the Indian number system. Okay. Every digit in a number have its own place. The first place of a number, just remember one thing, that we always start writing the place from the right side of the number. Okay, right side of the number. So the first place of a number is called the ones, second place is called tens, third place is called 100, then fourth place 1000, fifth place 10,000, sixth place lakh, seventh place 10 lakh, eighth place crore, and ninth place 10 crore. So these are the places of every digit in a number. These all places are classified into periods. Okay, these all places are classified into period. Means 1, 10 and 100 comes under the ones place, ones period. 1000 and 10,000 come under the thousand period. Lakhs and 10 lakhs come under the lakhs period, and crore and 10 crore comes under the crore period. Okay, these are the places of digits in the number, and these are the periods of the places. Now the numeration, how to read the number according to Indian number system. So how to read, how to write, I have told you how to write, and now how to write the number in word form. You can see here 7 and 4, 7 is at a 10 crore and 4 is at crore place, and these both come under the crore period, so it will be called 74 crore, 74 crore. Okay, then after 3 and 8 come under the lakhs period, so it will be written 38 lakhs. Now 1 and 3 come under the thousand period, so it will be written 13,000, and 2, 5, 6, these three places come under the ones period, so it will be written 256. So how we read it? 74 crore 38 lakh 13,000 and 256. Got it? Now we will talk about the international number system. As I told, there is a way of writing the number with comma, so here also we put the comma according to the international number system. In international number system, we put the comma after each third digit, means 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma, like this way. Okay, after each third digit. So this is the way of writing the number in international number system. If any number is written like this, where the commas are putting after each third digit, it means this is the international number system. Here again, this number, the every digit in the number have its own place, as I told in the Indian number system, but here the places are different. Okay, the places are different, and reading and writing is also different. I told you how to write the number in international. Now we will understand how to read or write the word form of this. 6, here the 6 is placed on a ones place, means the first digit called the ones, second place is called tens, and third place is called hundred. Now fourth place is called a thousand, fifth place is called a 10,000, and eighth place is called a 100,000. Got it? Then after, seventh place is called a million, eighth place is called a 10 millions, and ninth place is called a 100 millions. Means 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. Here also these places of a digit in a number classified into period, means 100 million, 10 million and million. Million, 10 million, 100 million comes under the million period. 1000, 10,000 and 100,000 come under the thousand period, and 1, 10, 100 come under the ones period, like a Indian number system. Okay, these are the short form of, we use the O for ones, T for 10, H for 100. You can use it. So according to the international number system, how to write the word form, or how to read the number. Look at here, 7, 4, 3. These three number or these three places come under the million. So it will be called 743 million. 743 million. 813 means 100,000, 10,000 and 1000 come under the thousand place. So it will be called 813,000. Okay, and 256 under the ones place, it is called 256, means 743,813,256 is the word form of this number. Got it? So this is the way of read and writing of numerals in Indian and international system. Now the exercise 3, it is very easy. In this exercise you have to just write the word form, okay, means numeration, or if the numeration is given, then you have to write the standard form of that. The third question of first 42830,004 is the number is given. Got it? And you have to write the word form of this. So how do you write the word form of this? Any type of question whenever will we ask in exam, you just write the places of the digit. Okay, so it will be easy for you to write the word form. By looking the number, you can see here the commas are putting after 3 digit, then after 2, then after 2, and this type of commas are put in Indian number system. Okay, so we have to write the word form according to Indian number system, because the commas are putting according to Indian number system. So we will write here ones, 10, 100. First of all, we will write the places of this, so that it will be easy for us to write the word form. 1, 10, 100, then 1000, 10,000, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. So what will be the word form of this number? 4 crore, 28 lakh, 30,000, 4. Okay, you can write here 4 crore, 28 lakh, 30,000, 4. Got it? Now similarly, the fourth question is given 75132,680. Here again we have to write the word form of this number, but by looking the comma we can understand the system of the number. Here the commas are putting after the 3 digit 1 2 3 1 2 3. It means this number is written according to the international number system. So we have to write the word form of according to international number system. Okay, for our convenience we will write the places according to international number system. 1, 10, then 100, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, then 100,000, then after million and 10 million. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So what will be the word form of this? 75,132,000, because these three number comes under the thousand, and 684. 75,132,684. Now the second question is saying that place the comma according to the Indian number system. Very easy. I told you that in Indian number system we put the comma after first of all after 3 digit, then after we put the comma, then after each second digit, 1 2 3, 1 2 1 2. This is the way to putting the comma in Indian number system. Now here we have to put the comma according to international number system. In international number system we put the comma after each third digit, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, so this is the way of putting the comma in international number system. Now the fourth question is saying 4,67,306 in international form or in numeral form and in international form. First of all, we have to write the numeral for this. Okay, by reading this you can see the highest place of this number is lakh. Okay, the highest place of this number is lakh. So we will write first of all the places of 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Got it? Now we will write the numbers. 4 lakh, it means at lakhs place 4 is there. Then 67,000, 67. Okay, this is the 67. So we will write, these are the 1000 plus 67,000. Okay, now 300, at place of 100 we will write the 3. Okay, 300 means at place of 100 we will write the 3. 6, 306. 6 is a single digit, so we will write at the ones place. And there is no information about the 10th place, and where there is no information about any place we will write a 0. Okay, so these are the number of word form of this. In numeral form, according to the Indian number system, we will write the comma like this, after 3 digit, then after 2 digit. And in international form, how do you write the comma? After 3 digit and after 3 digit. At starting we never write the comma, remember this thing. Okay, so these all are very easy question which you can do from your book. In exercise 3, all the questions are of this type. So I will just share some question from this exercise. I will just mark that questions, and you have to do only those questions which will be marked. Okay, so this chapter is finished. Only one exercise is there in this chapter. So thank you, and just keep practice.